Good morning. Welcome to IVTNN's Good Morning World. WHO, World Health Organization, has already certified that China has not done anything wrong in COVID spread in this world. Earlier also, WHO had a kind of a temptation to save China from such blames. At the same time, Trump administration has accused WHO and scolded them for being part and being influenced by China. So one thing we should know that now the China has already won this world. How? Because first of all, China has made sure that they created maximum problems in this world and made sure that the Trump administration would be defeated. And China has played overt and covert war against the Trump administration, and he has been defeated and thrown out of White House. And they have made sure that the right person is in the White House now. So now Biden has no time to blame China, nor he is not talking against China or in favor of China. He is a kind of a mute which doesn't have any interest in blaming China or keeping the responsibility at the chest of a Chinese. While the whole world organization and Europe looks a kind of a termed lamb under the influence of China. China has slowly but steadily getting the grip of this world, and the world is becoming under the shadow of Chinese. China is going to launch again so many warships and aircraft carriers, which they will give them more competence and capability to influence the world. Because any country, if they want to influence the world and become the superpower, they need many elements. First is that the super army, second is that financial clout, the third is that the efficiency of diplomacy. In these three areas, China has done extremely well for the last 2 years. Ever since the Trump administration came to power, he started blaming and whipping China, and China was angry for a long time. The last one was he has banned many Chinese organizations from America doing any kind of business, charging them and arresting many people who has been working or part of this Chinese organization. Many of them even have been arrested under the charges of a theft of a national secret and national security. So at that condition, China has played a silent role. Most probably one can easily believe that this coronavirus has originated from this viral lab of China as a war against the Trump administration and the rest of the world against China and the Chinese organization. And China has meticulously managed it, and the virus has fought a war that has done extremely good job for China. Now Trump has been thrown out of this White House and a new president has been imposed. He doesn't have any problem with China. Third, the world organization like WHO is under the full influence of China. So overall, it is the era of China has come. Now China will decide when they have to take over the world, the vacuum of a leadership which is already existing in this world. While the Europe has struggling with their pandemic of the fourth time rise. Now they have a doubt, or they are in a position that whether they should take the help of Putin to get the vaccine from Russia, because Russian vaccine has been proved to be one of the most effective vaccines which has been developed against the COVID. At the same time, the Biden administration has declared Russia as an enemy, and they will come with more and more sanctions. Whereas China has already had an agreement with Iran to buy all their oil which has been blocked by the sanctions of America for the last 4 years. And China has become a big market for the Iran oil. So now Iran has got a big friend, and Iran is not going to give up it. because Iran has its own financial issues and trade problems which China has directly taken over and directly created a both market for each other. Iran's all oil China will buy and China will compensate the problems of sanctions, giving the product and money. So in that context, the world is under the complete influence of China, and the Biden administration is standing like a weak sheep, and it is not going to raise a tongue against the Chinese. Whereas China has sensed its power and China has withdrawn from the Ladakh border of India, not because of the diplomacy as one of China or India, or India has made any the big threat to China, because China had only one issue, that Biden was using India, and India has becoming a mosquito that irritates China in while sleeping. So China wanted to divert the attention of India and show the Biden administration that they can take India anytime, while that opportunity has been exploited by America, France and Russia, and they could sell a lot of weapons to India, and India has become a lost racer because China has withdrawn. India lost a lot of money buying a new weapons from these four countries: Israel, America, Russia and France. These four countries have made a lot of money. Their arms industry has thrived with India's money. And what China has done? China didn't buy anything from anywhere. They already have enough weapons, they have enough army. So with this small movement at the border of Ladakh, China has shown the world that we can divert the attention by different kind of war. One is a virology war that they have done against the entire world. Secondly, a border war that they have done against India. At the same time, the pressure in the South China Sea that has given by the Trump administration now seems to have set aside, and it is there now. Biden will come with an excuse and withdraw all the ships from that, and the small countries as the neighbors of China will slowly become under the cloud and mercy of China. So because America is not a reliable nation, when a new president will come, America keeps on changing its policy than maintaining a steady policy. So in such a condition, it won't be in the interest of the small countries as the neighbors of China around and sharing the border of South China Sea to expecting any help from America. Don't create any charges and war-like situation against China. You will be alone, and Biden is not reliable, and America has lost its clout in this world. Russia will be silent because Russia and China are together to contain the Western leadership in this world. In that context, because Russia has a problem, is that Russia will come with it's a dream project of Eurasian nation, together stitching together the old Soviet Union and creating Eurasian nations. In that context, America and Europe will come with resistance, while so long as China and Russia are together, this Europe and America are not going to win. Such a plot they are going to create against Russia. And for Russia, China is a good ally than India, because India is not going to be a match against any American or European policy to support Russia. Because when there was a sanction was imposed, immediately India, under the influence of America, has withdrawn from all purchase of oil from Iran. It was a wrong policy, because there is no need of pleasing America, because America has only one interest: explore and exploit and harvest the big arms market to feed the American military establishment and manufacturing units, to create more and more jobs and take money from India. that have won it. For the last 4 years, India has purchased so many weapons, and India is trying more and more to influence. It is a kind of a pleasing America, but America is again not a reliable ally. That is something India should know. So now what is the situation in India is that India lost good relationship with China, even good relationship with Russia, due to their weapon and related trade, which is Russia was a dominant supplier. Now Russia lost the around 60% of the market to France and America, Israel. So the only country which India can rely is that is Israel, no any other country. France has only weapon related supply and purchase market interest on India. In such a context, India must be away from the American influence and American sanctions. Do not support, always give paramount importance to India's interest than playing in the drumbeat of America. And because China has already controlling the world nations, UN, whether it is a UN, WHO or any other organization, tomorrow China will become the chairman of a World Bank and other financial institutions too, because they have power, they have influence, they are $1 trillion economy, and India is lagging behind it because India is a divided house, because opposition try to give importance to their political interest and family interest than the national interest and the interest of the nation and the interest of the people of India, because they have a family agenda, they have personal agenda, they have political agenda, they have political career agenda. In that context, India should maintain a dynamic and progressive and interest, protecting its own interest in diplomacy than being influenced by America. America is no more a reliable nation. Biden is very silent. Biden is a strong supporter of Pakistan. In that context, India should be a pragmatic, diplomatic nation. With this, we are ending this week's IVTNS Good Morning World. Thank you for watching IVTNS Good Morning World. Have a nice day.